Meantime, health officials around the Central Coast and around the country are recommending social distancing to help slow the spread. Action News reporter Christopher Salas is live in Old Town. It's the first Friday evening when social distancing has been recommended. What's it like down there?
Well, Dan, it's certainly not a ghost town down here. There are people out enjoying their Friday evening, but I can tell you, I got Dubbers here over my left shoulder. There are less people downtown. That's according to cops. One just drove by. They were speaking with us earlier. They say there are less people downtown, and that is also according to businesses. 201 Main Street over here, they say they are slightly less crowded than they would be on an average Friday night. That's also the case out on the Monterey Peninsula. We've spoken with businesses who say they are seeing less traffic, and that is obvious with social distancing being recommended, not just here in the state, but really around the country. Meanwhile, we had a chance to speak with a Santa Cruz County resident who is currently being quarantined at Travis Air Force Base, and he says they have not been tested yet, despite the fact that they are now on day 4 of their quarantine.
It's not prison. The hotel here is very nice.
Santa Cruz County resident Richard Lovelace and his wife are 2 of the 900 people quarantined at the Westwood Inn at Travis Air Force Base after 21 people on their cruise ship, the Grand Princess, tested positive for COVID-19.
They just basically shut the hotel down, moved everybody out, moved all of the hotel staff and personnel out, and they took over.
They he's referring to is the California Department of Health and Human Services.
And they're well aware of how to deal with medical issues and the quarantine and all that. What they are not is hotel operators.
Lovelace said at times there's been a lack of towels, blankets, toothpaste, and even soap.
You know, what's the big deal we're supposed to be doing? Washing our hands. There was no soap in there.
Lovelace called those mild inconveniences compared to the frightening situation the first night food was left in the lobby.
There was no structure, no organization, so people started coming up and taking what they wanted. Next thing you know, people are pushing in line, and then it was a mob around the food counters since we didn't know when our next meal would come.
And despite all of that, Lovelace said the biggest concern is the uncertainty and a lack of answers from health officials.
Well, what's going to happen next? We're not sure. When's the next meal? We're not sure.
Lovelace said there's still no answer for the question all of the quarantined are asking. Do they have COVID-19?
I know everybody in the outside world said we've all been tested. Well, we haven't.
He said they've been told they may get tested in the next few days.
And then they give us the caveat. When we get tested, and it's voluntary, then until those results come back, even when our 14-day quarantine period is up, if the tests haven't come back, we will not be released. If the test comes back and you're positive, you will not be released.
And he's concerned if he's not tested, he may face another quarantine once he gets home.
So that's kind of when we reached out to you originally, Chris, was can you find out if Santa Cruz County is going to let us back in if we come back that we're not sick, but we didn't get a test?
Santa Cruz County said they haven't received a list of how many of their residents are currently in quarantine.
The federal government is controlling all of those folks, yes. And we will follow whatever directives they release.
That it's obvious that the folks in charge were not prepared for this kind of a situation.
Now, they're on day 4 of quarantine on land, but they also spent 5 days quarantine out at sea. That was when the cruise ship was trying to decide where and when to dock. So altogether, Dan, these passengers may be looking at about 3 weeks of quarantine, and of course it could potentially be more. It all depends on when and if they get tested. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Christopher.